G'day, here's a parcel of knobbies from Lightning Ridge, Australia in the Opal shop. Some of them are quite nice, as you can see. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, haven't moved the material in relation to each other. I'll just do a quick tour of the plate. Don't forget you can stop the video at any time if you want to see something in particular. I'll just pick up a few of these pieces. Sand in it unfortunately, but possibly could carve it. And then it's got another band down here as well. It's like a kernel, that one. I'd say that was a hollow. Some of these pieces will need to be ground down to see if there is a colour bar in it. Some of the pieces like this are really specimens that may have a hard core in it. It's got some nice colour if it has. And there's pieces like this that a bit of careful carving you possibly get a nice stone. Whether the opal goes inside or not, I don't know. I've often been told by unscrupulous sellers that, oh, mate, the colour's on the inside, you need to cut it in half to get to the opal. Well, take that with a grain of salt. I price it on what I can see and the brightness of the colours. Anyway, that gives you a bit of an idea of what you're getting. Some of the smaller pieces actually will cut a better stone. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Cheers.